A flexible work schedule, meaning you can work regular hours or whenever you work. Hold on, we have to look this company up. Work-life balance is essential. Okay. And they want you to commit 100 hours per year to focus on your professional development. We invest in growth, and they have an excellent benefits package and profit sharing. I like that one. So what are you doing? Work with the Agile team to test plan, test cases for user stories and features. Did we not just go over those few keywords? So even from this perspective, don't even think about the how-to yet. Like, did you even understand the terminology? Now, we didn't go through test cases deeply if you're new and you haven't been that far. But if you know what a test plan, a test case, a user story, and a feature is, do you understand that you understand that bullet point, right? Already. And then what Agile is, all right? Interpret and refine acceptance criteria, ensuring it matches overall project requirements. Do you understand what that bullet point means when you read it? You kind of should. We kind of went over it. Interpret and refine acceptance criteria, ensuring it matches the overall project requirements. So yes, the BAs could be building out the requirements, but we still got to understand the project requirements and what should actually happen. Now, the difference is that as a skill, they're saying they want you to possibly refine the acceptance criteria, which we actually went over. What is acceptance criteria? We went over, acceptance criteria given when a user does this should happen, given when then. So you might have to replay this because I'm gonna get y'all out of here, but I want you guys to realize how fast we just went over that process. All right. Perform manual testing against the acceptance criteria throughout the software process project. What does that mean? You're actually testing manually against the acceptance criteria to make sure definition of done. Do y'all see how I just did that with them 3 bullet points? Y'all be scared? Is anybody getting a little bit of an aha? I'm just saying, y'all too quiet for me because I'm like,
yes, I am.
What are the rest of the skills at? Let's keep going, right? But I do want y'all to even think about from a perspective of terminology. Are you understanding the terminology just reading the job description? All right, are you understanding what is even asking? All right, document and interpret results of testing, creating bugs, and documenting future remediation work. Report and track issues accurately. Evaluate mid-project changes for testing impact. Help improve our QA processes. Work directly with clients to coordinate their user acceptance testing. What is that? That's more so when it comes down and now it's in that environment, right? So now that it's past QA, now you might be working with the business team to help them actually do some user acceptance testing. All right, so what does that mean? So we're going to keep on going, but just think more so, do you even understand? Coordinate automation activities around regression testing and schedule testing for clients. Now, that one might have you like, okay, what does that mean? So you can take that and just go chat GPT and see what it says, but they might have automation engineers. This one isn't, to me, this job description isn't saying too much about automation. So you might just be coordinating with the automation engineers and just speaking to them on what type of features are ready for regression. All right. So once the application has been proven stable, you might be doing that process to speak to them, which we go over in the internship some more. We'll probably do it live in RTQA and talk about that a little bit more. But we'll talk about how you can coordinate and you can still shine like a senior QA. Because simply doing something like that could be kind of like why you're considered like a senior QA, right? Because of that coordination, that leadership, right? They may have automation engineers, but you coordinating and saying, here's what we're doing and here's the type of, when we need to run regression, or you giving that insight could actually make you that valuable person.